It is a matter of ignorance that an old man would be surprised when he saw the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, making love with Hazrat Fatima Zahra, peace be upon him. Then tears came out of his eyes. I began to think how cruelly I had cremated my dear liver alive just because of the customs of distant ignorance. Seeing this transaction, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "What is the story?" He started explaining that my wife was pregnant. In those days I went on a trip. When he turned back after a long time, he saw a girl playing in his house and asked his wife, "Who is this girl?" So the wife said, "This is our daughter." Then, under some unknown fear, he said in a pleading tone, "Just look at how cute the girl is. How much joy is there in the house due to its existence. If it survives, it will become your memorial and keep the name of your family and tribe alive." I bowed my neck and did not answer my wife, but kept watching the girl carefully. The girl kept looking at me with strange eyes for some time. Then, not knowing what to think, she came running and hugged my chest. I also embraced him in the spirit of. Some time passed as the girl gradually grew up and became quite intelligent. When she approached her puberty, then his mother was completely satisfied from me. My attitude towards daughter was also loving. One day I told my wife that I will take her to a tribal wedding. The poor mother was happy and quickly decorated her daughter. I took the girl's hand and left the house. Arriving at an uninhabited wilderness, I stood near a pre-made pitcher. The girl was jumping up and down with great joy. She stopped near me and asked innocently, "Father, who is this pit for?" "I want to bury you in it as per my family custom," I told her in a spot-on tone, "so that our family and tribe will be freed from the disgrace caused by your birth." The girl's face turned pale when she realized the situation, and before she could react, I pushed him into the pit. The girl continued to cry and sob, but his cry had no effect on me. I filled the hole with soil. Although he raised his hand at the last moment, she kept begging me for life. Begged. But alas, I buried a piece of my heart alive. But even his last plea keeps dripping in my ears that "Baba, you buried me. But don't tell my mother. Say that I have left my daughter in my tribe." Hearing this, tears flowed from the eyes of the Holy Prophet. At that time, Fatima al-Zahra, peace be upon him, was sitting in the embrace of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. His eyes also became moist. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, hugged his daughter to his chest, and the words came out on the lips of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, "Daughter is a mercy. I perfume my soul with the fragrance. Daughters are the mercy of Allah. Appreciate them, and they are guests in your people's homes for a few days. They have to leave your house. So love them. Love them." Because the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, loved his daughter.